Today, I'll show you how to change a pin on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, if you've set a pin so that anytime someone wants to access your watch, they require the pin, or when it's not on your wrist, so that it can lock and no one has access to it, you can change that pin if you set a simple one or one that is easily guessable. As you can see, currently my watch is locked. You can see the padlock icon at the top. So I'll need to enter my pin first to gain access to the watch. And once you do that, you can now swipe up from the bottom of the watch face and tap on the settings icon. So tap on it and scroll until you get to the pin option. So tap on pin and you should see the option to change pin. So tap on change pin. You'll be required to enter the pin that you're currently using, a 6-digit pin. And then now you'll be prompted to enter the new pin. So you can enter a pin like this one. I'll enter a simple pin for the sake of this video, but you can enter a sophisticated one that is not easily guessable. I'll be required to confirm the pin once I enter it. So enter it again. And as you can see, the pin has been set. And that's how to change the pin on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite or Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, if I use the old pin to try and unlock my watch, it's not going to work. I'll require to enter the new pin that I have changed to, and it's going to work. Now you can also change your pin from the Mi Fitness app on the connected device. So when you launch the Mi Fitness app, make sure you're on the device tab, and under device, ensure that your Redmi Watch 5 is active and select the security option. Under the security option, you'll see the set password option, and here you can also be able to change your pin. So select change pin and follow the prompts as we just did on our watch. So that's how to change your pin on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any comments and questions, leave them down in the comment section below the video. Take care and God bless.